am Divya Bharati. I am doing internship from Narayan Pet House. I am the, taking questions. Write a program to count all uppercase characters in the given string. First of all, we are taking a string to read the data from the user. One writing program to count all uppercase characters from the given string. Read the, read the data from the user. Input enter any string. To take a variable st variable. We take the count variable to assign 0. For example, we take string Narayana. To fetch the all characters. Means string is a collection of the characters. To fetch the all characters. How to get the all characters for using for loops. We take for loops. For I in st. I first I and if I dot is upper function. We are taking here is upper function. Why we taking here upper function? To check the given string is uppercase or not. If it is uppercase, then it will be true. If it is not uppercase, then it will be false. So we have to take condition count plus 1. We assign the count variable. Okay. Then first of all, I value is n. I value is n. If n is uppercase, then it will be true. And it will display count value is already 0 plus 1. Then here 0 plus 1, increasing value 1. So n, here n is completed. Then we take a. A is uppercase or not? It is false. So it is not, if condition is false, then it will not execute the condition. If otherwise it will be, if it is true, then it will be execute condition. If it is not, it is false, then it will be not execute the block. So now yeah, here we are taking r. If r is uppercase, then it is true. So we are counting here 0 plus 1. Here already 1. 1 plus 1. So here 2. And next we are taking here a. A is uppercase. Small a is not uppercase. So it will be false. So the condition will be not executed. Then we are taking y. Y is uppercase. Then it is true. So it will display the count the function 2 plus 1 3. Then a also not uppercase, so it will not execute the condition. Then we take n. N is a uppercase. N is uppercase. Then it will be counting 3 plus 1 4. So a is not uppercase, so it will be completed. String will be completed. So we print count. Count total how much is uppercase, then it will be count. Output is 4.